Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Sheets for multiple users. So here I've already opened the spreadsheet page and I'm going to start by opening the Google Sheets that I want to use with other people. So for example, this one. Okay, so after you open the file, you can see here at the top there is a share option, and the current status is private only to me. So that means only me can use this Google Sheet. So what you need to do to share it with other people or to make it can be used by multiple users is click on the share button and then change the access into the file. Here, the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. Here, you can also update the role of the person. For example, I'm going to make them as editor so they can use and edit the content of the file. And after that, you can just add the people that is you want to or you want them to use the file and just click on send. You can also choose to notify them or not. So when they accept the access the invitation access, they can use the Google Sheet files with you. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.